at the D Hotel. It's a really weird layout. We have this F car back there. Yeah, I think it just goes to the first floor. Got a nice fountain here. Gotcha. Cool. We're at Car D, at the D.
This one has 3 destinations.
How funny is that? Ha ha ha. Yep.
Going back and forth between 2 and 3 destinations. I was like barking at it.
Barking on it. Barking
That's
it.
I thought that.
Like, what the hell is that?
Yeah, it looks weird without the space.
Yeah. It doesn't work very well. Like Barcelona.
I actually.
Yeah,
exactly.
exactly,
You are a dumbass.
I've seen a lot of really shitty marketing here.
Oh yeah. Oh dude, some of it could use a little more.
Have a good one.
All the hipsters.
Look, the phone is flashing.
That means it's broken.
Help is on the way. Oh, don't worry, Nate. Help's on the way. We're all good. I was worried. We really needed help.
If we would have waited for them, we could have got a direct ride to 3-4.
Oh, we got a direct ride down. I'm just glad it's unlocked.
Other elevators not even there.
Yeah. Wait, what's up here? Oh, that's just room. Wow, I'm surprised it's actually unlocked.
It'll take you to 1.
You know what else will take you to 1? The 1 button. Isn't that crazy? Mind equals blown. Oh, this is a new cab. This is definitely a new Otis cab.
Yeah, they completely redid these when they put these in. These 7 indicators are really hard to see. These series.
They're hard to film, yeah.
Sometimes they're okay, but this one I've had. I got it on low light focus. That's all you can see. Ah, nuts.
Stopping.
19th floor.
The indicator.
Going down. Fifteenth floor.
Have a good one.
Going down.
I bet he's going to fill this whole cooler with ice.
Probably. I bet they don't have ice machines in every floor.
Yeah.
Hey,
yeah,
at
that
least they
makes
let
sense.
you go to any floor.
Yeah. Unlike basically
Unlike
the
Vegas.
entire strip.
Hotels, yeah, strip hotels where it's like, oh, your ice machine is broken. Well, that sucks for
Sucks
you.
to suck.
Is this second floor?
Yeah, this
Going
is second
down.
floor, yeah. I believe these are Compass Plus, or Compass 360, or
Plus,
Whatever the new
360
one.
wasn't around when this was going.
you're right, yeah, these are Compass Plus.
So the funny thing is, I one point I don't remember who said that. but-
Anyway, yeah, because they got these fancy keypads.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's it.